last year.
No need for low anymore. Took me a second to get out of low, man. Sorry.
What? I wish this was
closer. All that on high.
Closer? I wish this was closer to home.
You did that on high button? No, not me.
Yeah, this would be fucking awesome.
That's like extra hard on transmission fluid and stuff when you do that kind of stuff at high. Yeah, I believe it.
Yeah, I pretty much idled up those hills in 4 lows over here. Is this the closest place to where we to home that has like this for free? Yeah. That I know of, yes.
Yeah, I stayed in one, but I did a little more than idle there a little bit. I was just like 1,500 RPM first gear 4 low going up the heavy stuff.
I also have monkey induction.
Carbon clutches, that's all I gotta say. What'd you say? Carbon clutches. Hey Matt, thanks for those beans last night.
Actually, I lied. We can't back down the left. There's rocks. There's rocks. And if somebody was up here, otherwise we were going to camp.
He says no problem.
Somewhat.
Dave, did you leave them all in the dust?
I don't know, man. I think Jason, it took him a couple of seconds to get it at a 4 low, so he helped the line.
You know the rules, right? You're supposed to wait for the person behind you. Did you guys go up on Flagpole? Yeah. Jason, stop, turn around.
Sorry, you're right, I did break the rules. I know better than that, sorry.
I'm standing here, I'm sitting here waiting at, oh, never mind, they went in the other way. You guys are up where we camped last time? Yeah. Yeah, not exactly, but kind of behind you. Well, to your 2 o'clock now.
Yeah. Stop it. Please. Be cold.